Hey guys, this is OSP Pro. I welcome you guys back again to this new video, this new short video. Now today simply I'm going to explain something little about Python and with API. Now Python with API, there's something that you have to learn or have to know or to put in mind a bit. In computer programming, an application programming interface is what known as the API. So with it's a set of subroutine definitions, communication protocols, and tools for building up a software. So in general terms, it is a set of clearly defined methods of communication among various components. Now, to come up with an API, is something which is kind of simple depending on a given programming language. Now today, I may not first of all go straight on how to come up with a given API, but you're going to look on how can we frame up, use already made API by other different programmers, and then we tend to come up with a given application. Application like maybe I may say, like maybe SMS application whereby it will be sending SMS to a given user or onto the phone, and things like that. Now let us look at a scenario that I'm going to be using something called the Next. Just type for it down. It's called nexmo. So we are going to be using Nexmo API, but though there are different platforms where we can get a free API, even Google. We have Google APIs, right? Just like I've said, it's application programming interface, which enables us to subroutine into different kind of applications. So let me say we are going to be using, or maybe Africa Talk. There's also Africa Talking. Now these are all possible APIs. Now I'm looking at the scenario that we are going to be utilizing our Python codes and we make it into a real application by we know just some few lines of code, like maybe 2 to 3 piece of codes from Python, and then we embed it and we come up with a given application. Because Python is a simple language and it really frames us to come up with a very simple application whereby at the end of the day we can get an SMS into our phones. I may just give you a simple example here. I happen to come up with a simple sample of what we are going to be doing in the next video, where we are going to be learning on how can we start up using the API with the Python. So this is just a simple kind of, I don't know if you guys you can see around there. So this one is coming from something called, this is from Nexmo. Just like I've said, this is a nexmo kind of a message where we can also tend to apply into our given application, and then you get to know how to frame it up. Yeah, so now what I'm going to simply say at the moment, make sure you have Python installed in your machine, and next, make sure you go to Nexmo, and then you create up an account. Make sure you have a Google account, frame it up, pick the number that will be the phone number that you would like the message to be popping up into your phone. Then from there, I'll be showing you the codes step by step so that you can know how to make use of an API with the Python. I know we have been making use of API with the PHP, with the Java, but this time around, let us look on to how can you utilize this API with the Python, because Python, with just 5 piece lines of code, we can simply make up a given application. So let us see how to start up this. So if you find this video much, or if you find this video nice for you guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, OSP Pro. Then you guys from our Facebook page who happen maybe also to watch this video with us, make sure at least you happen to like our page, comment down. If you're interested, I'm going to show you all the links on how to get this API and get started. So guys, thanks for watching. I love you all. Next time.